Oh, first cast. Yes, sir. Oh, got one. There's one. Are you kidding me? Get that. Did not see that coming. Whew.
What's going on today, guys? Steve here from Salt Fresh, Florida, bringing you episode 1, a fishing trip to a local drainage canal. It's over 40 years old, half-mile long. Let me show you the spot. Here's the canal here, basically going to be targeting this spillway, this flowing water, and any of this vegetation to see what kind of fish I can find. Let me show you the gear. Today I'm going to be using Gary Yamamoto 5-inch Yama Senkos. I'm going to start off with the 927, also going to be carrying the 301. Let's get out there, start throwing them.
Made it to the spillway here. This is my first time ever trying to fish and film at the same time, so we'll see how this goes. I see a bunch of fish swimming around over here behind me. Let's see. Spook one right there. Nice to get one out of the way. I've never caught a bass on camera before. That'd be interesting to see. Oh, got one. There's one. There's one. What we got? Oh, it's a gar. Are you kidding me? Big old gar. That is the first gar I have caught in a really long time. Wow. Ooh, easy, buddy. I saw you chasing that. Get that. Easy. All right, species. That's an interesting catch. Big ol' alligator gar. Senkos still in his mouth. All right, pretty sweet. See you later, bud. Whew. Okay. Did not see that coming. Whew. All right, here's one of the spillways here. Oh man, that gar fight. I'm gonna be quiet coming in here so I don't spook them. Flowing pretty good after that rain. Let's see. All right, first cast, nothing. That's all right. That's all right. Get it out in there. There we go. I like that spot. Oh, nice fish jump there. They're in there. Just gotta get on them. All right, something right there. Oh yeah. Oh, right on the edge of that yellow thing. Right on the edge. Oh. Little lightning out here. What's up, dude? Bass number 1. What's up? How'd you like that Senko? Not bad looking fish. Not bad. Small guy. See you later, buddy. All right. One bass down. I'm gonna get back at it here. Still see him jumping in there. He was right on the edge. He picked that one up. Right on the edge. Try to come across the current there. Ooh. I got dirt in my reel. Had this reel since I was, this is probably from the 90s. Took some time off from, oh, there's one. Oh, that's a big one. Right there on the edge again. Oh, get up here. Nice. Nice one. Nice fish. Nice fish. That's a little better. Decent sized fish there. Another decent one. Bass number 2. Whew. Better than working. Better than working. There he is. Bass number 2. See you later, dude. That was fun. Give this spot a try. Again, I'm gonna be kind of quiet in here. I don't want to spook nothing. Oh, first cast. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. First cast. There it is. Move to a new spot, first cast. That's what I'm talking about. What's up, dude? How you doing? I'm a human. In case you never seen one of me before.
All right, guys. Well, that went better than expected for episode 1. 4 fish, 2 species, under an hour. Can't complain there. Never even changed from that 927 Senko. I was having way too good of a bite. If it looked like I wasn't handling that gar very comfortably, I don't think I've ever held one of those in my hand before. So if it looked like I was having a tough time with that one, he was stronger than I was expecting him to be. So it's cool to catch one of those. Obviously, if you saw anything you like, press the like button there. Leave a comment if you see something you want to leave a comment for. Subscribe to see where I'm going to be next. You know, the typical YouTube stuff. And thanks for watching.